Hi, we're joined today by Seth Andrews of the Law Office of Kenneth Hiller, and he's going to share with us some information about topic areas here at the firm. We want to ask him right now about robocalls. We understand that robocalls are certainly a nuisance when you get them on your cell phone. Can you define what a robocall is and help us understand the law that helps to govern them?
Absolutely. So, as you mentioned, robocalls are very prevalent today. Everyone's got a cell phone, and there are certain protections consumers should be aware of that prohibits getting these unwanted, annoying calls. And so there is a particular statute called the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, TCPA, and that governs the use and conduct of companies to use an auto dialer to initiate these calls to your cell phone. And the three easy things to remember are it's got to be to a cell phone. So if it's a call to your home, a landline, fortunately this law doesn't protect you. It's got to be to a cell phone. But again, in this day and age, most people have cell phones. Mm-hmm. The robocall is really a computer-generated call from a dialer. It's not, the way I describe it is, it's not someone's fingers hitting the digits. It's being programmed and set by a computer. So when you get that annoying prompt when you pick up, or a robotic voice or a pre-recorded voice, that's a telltale sign that there's this dialer and it's a robocall.
And that technology is what allows the auto dialers to make hundreds, thousands of calls a day, an hour.
Correct.
Just keep peppering people with calls.
Absolutely. People get frustrated. They pick up. They want to say stop calling. Well, there's no person on the other end. It's just a machine. So what we offer is abilities to stop those calls. And the great thing about this particular law, it's $500 a call for each one of these calls that are made without your prior express consent. So that means if this entity, whoever it is that's calling you, didn't have your permission, you didn't give them that number, or you revoke, maybe at one point you did give them the number, but now you're saying, look, you don't have permission to call me anymore, it's $500 a call.
Every time they break the law, that's the penalty to the offender, and you're having the nuisance, you're being called, but you have to document those, correct? How do you consult with clients to tell them how to prepare information, or how to even track these calls or write them down?
Yeah, that's really important. So we tell clients all the time, don't delete any voice messages. A lot of times these calls will come in, it'll go to your voicemail, you don't even realize it. That counts. You don't have to just pick up the phone. Under the law, any call that's initiated would be a violation of this particular statute. So we tell clients, save your voicemails, your call logs. If a missed call shows up, don't delete those. They can screenshot us those. They'll come in, we'll get it off your phone. This day and age, people have access to their phone records. We want those as well. So we absolutely tell clients to preserve that evidence, because that's going to be critical in establishing the number of calls, which equates to how much damages we can provide for our clients.
And overall, how prevalent is this? How many cases are you seeing, and what sort of trend are you seeing in the enforcement of the TCPA?
This is a huge area of law. It's grown. It's probably the number one area in consumer right now that our firm handles. So I don't see it slowing down anytime soon. Like I said, everyone's got a cell phone, and at the end of the day, these companies, they're aware of the law. They're making an active decision to utilize this technology, because guess what? Dialers don't have sick days. Dialers don't have to have insurance. Mm-hmm. Dialers aren't unruly or have bad days at work. So they're making an economic decision to use this technology, and there's going to be a cost for that, and that's where we come into play. If they violate the law, clients know that they can come to us to uphold their rights.
Okay. Thank you for that additional information on robocalls, and we will look into another topic area in just a moment.
Hello, I'm attorney Kenneth Hiller. I've been representing disabled clients for over 30 years. The reason we've been successful over the years is simple. We care about our clients and know how important your case is to you. If you are unable to work because of a disability, we understand what a huge difference a monthly check can mean to you. If you're a veteran, it's just wrong that the VA isn't paying you for your service-connected disabilities. If you are unable to work full-time because of a medical impairment, or if you are a veteran with a service-connected disability, call us today for a free consultation.